Being a parent is one of the most fulfilling experiences a person can have.
Dati-rati, ako ang humihingi ng payo sa aking mga magulang. Ako ang sumusunod sa bawat utos nila. Hindi ko namamalayan ng oras, ang dami-dami ko ng mga pangaral na natutunan ko sa kanila. At sa paglilipas ng panahon, ako naman ang magpapangaral sa magiging anak ko.
Theophilia, your name means loved by God.
Being a daughter is difficult. But if you are tired of your old ways and you want to become a better one, these are the things for you.
You are more special to me than I ever thought possible. I hope someday you will know what you mean to me, how proud I am of you, and how much I love you. Do your best and study hard. Education is the key to fulfill your dreams in life. Never let anyone steal your dreams. Dreams are your aspiration, your goals, and your vision for your life. Love can be used for a lot of things, but I love you should be reserved for the people you truly do love. Don't say it just because someone say it to you. Don't say it just to make someone feel better if you don't really mean it. Love is special, I love you is special, but if you really mean it, say it over and over.
The most important thing a parent can give their child, however, is the sense of being loved.
Topi, anak, hindi habang buhay kasama mo ako. Hindi habang buhay nagagabayan kita sa bawat kilos mo. Pero sana lagi mong ibaon ng mga pangaral na tututunan mo sa akin hanggang sa paglaki mo. Lagi mong tatandaan na ang mga aral na to ang makakatulong sa'yo. Magagamit mo to sa magiging mga pamilya mo. Lagi mong tatandaan na nandito lang ako, saan ka man magpunta, kahit nasan man ako, nakabantay sa'yo.